This is Dana Farron with Channel Boomer Trends, and today I just picked up my first professional camera for YouTubing, the new Canon EOS M50 mirrorless technology. So I've got two boxes with accessories, and we're going to take a look and let's get into it. Box number one and box number two with accessories. Okay, here's a review of what we just put together on the table. The GoPro video mic, the digital. First of all, the Gorilla Pod from Joby. Second item, GoPro microphone. Third item, double charger. They said have lots of batteries, so we got lots of batteries. Second item, Canon accessory bag. SanDisk, 45 wide angle lens, telephoto lens, complete with filters, the EOS M50 from Canon. Booklet, everything packaged. The lens. And here it is. M50 in white. This kit came with the Vivitar tripod, a flash stand, another battery charger, an extra disc, a remote control from Vivitar, cleaning accessories, and hand strap, battery, and a SanDisk, and a lens cover. The Canon accessory bag, the Vivitar fundamental filter kit, the lenses, 2 times telephoto, 4 times a wide angle cleaning kit, the Kinlit lens, the camera, battery charger, battery strap, second battery strap, and the manual, the box for the Canon EOS M50, and the Gorilla Pod. There we go. You need this to get started? Okay.